And welcome to Tech Shorts. And this is how to use Start with Last Year. Here on the page ladder, if you click this button right here that says Start with Last Year, you'll get this little pop-up right here. Here you can take page designs from the previous year and copy those designs to the current year. Now this only works on pages like this right here that are in red and currently not started. Any pages that are yellow that are in progress, green completed, or black submitted, this feature will not work on. Now new for this year is you can actually move sections from last year and you can move topics from last year over. If you do not want to move your topics or sections, you're going to rearrange those. All you have to do is uncheck them and then click the continue button. So the way this works is by clicking the continue button, you'll get a screen like this. It says, are you sure the action can't be undone? What this means is there's just no undo button. If you want to take off what you did last year, you just have to go to that page and remove those designs from that page. Please keep in mind that custom clip art, custom backgrounds, portraits, and images from last year will not move over. They will instead be replaced by an image frame. Here you will see all the page designs from last year are now on these pages. Any of our clip art will still move over, and this is how to use the Start with Last Year. Thank you for watching.